Digital Marketing Full Course 2025. Learn step by step. Earn from home fast. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you a complete digital marketing roadmap for 2025 that you can learn step by step and start earning from home fast. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to level up your skills, this video is for you. So, make sure to watch till the end. Did you know that businesses are spending billions online every year and digital marketers are making a killing from home? And the best part? You don't need a degree, just the right skills and strategies. First, what is digital marketing? Digital marketing is all about promoting products and services online using tools like social media, email, search engines, and websites. It includes SEO, social media marketing, email marketing, content marketing, paid ads, and more. Learning these skills will let you work remotely, freelance, or even start your own business. Second key steps to learn digital marketing. SEO, search engine optimization. Learn to rank websites on Google and attract free traffic. Social media marketing. Promote brands on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Content marketing. Create blogs, videos, and posts that engage audiences. Email marketing. Build email lists and send campaigns that convert. Paid ads. Learn Google Ads, Meta ads, and other paid platforms to earn faster. Third, how to earn from home. Once you master these skills, there are multiple ways to earn from home. Freelancing. Offer services on Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer. Affiliate marketing. Promote products online and earn commissions. Social media management. Help businesses run their social accounts. Start your own agency. Once confident, manage multiple clients and scale up your income. 4 tips to succeed. Here are a few tips to fast-track your journey. Keep learning and practicing every day. Focus on one skill at a time before moving to the next. Build a portfolio or personal brand to show your expertise. Stay outdated with the latest trends. Digital marketing changes fast. If you're serious about starting your digital marketing journey in 2025, hit that like button, subscribe, and check the links in the description for free resources and courses to get started. Don't wait. Start learning today and begin earning from home.